If you're not familiar with what a ketogenic diet is, it takes your body from burning sugar for fuel and turns it into burning fat for fuel. I set a goal for myself to have six-pack abs, and the biggest part of that is having the right diet. I looked up a lot of diets, but the one I picked was keto. Have a look at the last just 6 to 7 weeks and see my results. So one of the things about diet is that it's not a fad or a crash, it's a lifestyle. And I've been diligent, and if you want success in anything, you got to be diligent too. And if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them to the best of my ability or show you some resources that I've had. But this absolutely works. I'm living proof, and my abs are on the way. All right, now that they have sufficiently cooled, let's try them out. We got cream cheese with dark chocolate. Well, you saw the ingredients. Let's do it. All right, these are pretty skinny, man. We'll see. I'm almost afraid to try it, but let's do it. All right, here goes nothing. This is 100% authentic. Sour cream's good. Definitely could be sweeter. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had stevia and liked it and felt that it was an adequate replacement for sugar. I don't know. So what else have you got? What other suggestions you got about sweetener?